This is Dr. Masters thanking you for clicking on to today's mini consultation. In today's world, there's a great deal of noise, traffic, loud music, communication devices, people talking everywhere, etc., etc. There's an expression which goes, "I can't hear myself think." Yet, stop and realize that even thought, yes, even thought distracts a person from themselves. It's what I call mental traffic. In fact, both inwardly and outwardly, there is too much noise. It's perceived by the personal ego level of the mind, or what poses falsely as most people's sense of identity. Now, when a person lives a false sense of identity with both outer and inner noise, they do not live up to their full potential in life, because their real identity is obscured by the outer environmental noise and the clutter of thoughts in their personal ego. Only when the noises within the personal ego are set aside, by setting the personal ego itself aside, can all be silent enough within oneself that a person becomes aware of their true identity, the oneness of their soul with God, which transforms their consciousness and in turn improves their life. With this in your thoughts, let us turn inward. I turn inward to the very center and nucleus of my mind, that Christ mind conscious point of contact where my soul is in an eternal state of oneness with the mind and spirit of God. Here within myself, let me recognize that even thought is a distraction to real awareness. And thought is a product of my false sense of personal ego identity. To reach reality and awareness within myself, I therefore take time each and every day to set aside my personal ego by giving it up to God's presence and will within the center and nucleus of my mind. At the same time, through deeper states of meditation, I still my personal ego mind, whatever is left of it after giving it up, so that the stillness of awareness becomes the dominant presence within me. For in utter stillness, there is that silence that is God's presence within. And in that presence is the awareness of why my soul has taken image, shape, form, and embodiment, and its purpose, its real purpose for the life that I am living. For this realization of setting aside environmental noise outwardly and the clutter of inner noise of thought inwardly, so that the silence that is God's presence within me may gain my full awareness, I give thanks, I let it be so, and so it is. Clearing the Mind of Negatives, Part 1 of a two-part series, has been the subject of my weekly video broadcast, having begun on Sunday, May 20th, and continuing through to Saturday, May 26th. Available to you on a complimentary basis 24/7 on universityonline.tv. Be certain to watch this week's weekly video broadcast and, of course, the daily mini consultation as well, and let friends and associates know about our complimentary weekly videos and the daily mini consultations. They are also available on mobile versions designed for smaller screens of tablets, smartphones, netbooks, and other handheld devices. Thank you for joining with me today, and be certain to click on again tomorrow for a new mini consultation. May God bless you and those you love today